What is up, everybody? Good morning today. Nice bright. Had a lot of rain last night, but it's all cleared up. So on my first job, just some tile. They're gonna replace the carpet. So you hear me talking to myself, Neil. I'm just recording.
Oh, they say that's a sign of intelligence.
Oh, okay, I'll take that. As we got in here, bathroom's not too bad tile-wise. A little bit there, but not too bad. So the carpet will be replaced, so I don't got to worry about that. Not too bad over here. Entry's not bad. A little dirty, but the majority will be, this is going to be the tough part, the kitchen. Yeah, I did one the other day, Neil. It was a travertine I did the first time with the same process, and that thing came up beautiful. She was amazed. It was, the grout lines of the travertine were just as black as this, and they came back up to almost completely snow white. She was happy. Same thing, she's selling her house. She's like, well, just go ahead and do that if you're already set up doing the carpet. So I did, and it came out good. I was shocked. Awesome. And then travertine's sometimes a little difficult to clean, but it came up real well. So I've got high hopes for this. So get everything preconditioned, pre-agitate it, and go from there. Okay, so everything, man, turned out great. You can see, nice and bright. A little mop here, get up any extra footprints. Man, he was impressed. He was super happy. I mean, you remember what it looked like back here too. That was just full of debris. I'll have some pictures as well. But man, it's ridiculous how dirty it was. But yet, it came extremely clean. So, and I'm glad he was here to watch it. He actually watched it. He took some pictures and sent to his wife so she can check it out. So, because they actually didn't realize I do tile cleaning, even though it says carpet cleaning company. Most of us do. So, but that's nice that they asked me before, because they were actually going to go with another guy, another local guy, and it would have been fine. I'd have been, you know, a little saddened, only because it was my own reason that they didn't know I did stuff besides tile. So it's important that that's why I do these videos, so everybody can see the things I do and the results I get, so they can expect similar results as well when I come to your house and do the work there as well. So, and I appreciate people watching the videos. Any good comments, leave below if you have any questions. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up here. Little spot I can see right here where none of the tools get. So a lot of times, as long as you get the cleaner back there, like I was saying, you can wipe it off. Usually get it broken down with a towel. And it is coming out real good. Well, I like to go over stuff like this twice. I mean, there's always little detail work that you can find that needs to be done, taken care of. So I think I'm bringing some new appliances. So like that little rust spot is probably from the original foot on the oven. So that'll get covered up anyways. But yeah, spots here, one here. Beware your surroundings. Don't knock over your stuff like I did. Alright, YouTube, Bakersfield. Again, you need any tile cleaning work, carpet cleaning, upholstery, you can find me on my website, QMScarpetcleaning.com. Got a new website, so it's a little better than the old one. Well, it's a lot better, I'll just say that. So, but yeah, boom. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. And this. Oh, they are happy. Well, I'm gonna finish up here, put the rest of my stuff put away, catch my breath, have a little bite to eat, and then head on to my second job of the day. All right, guys, talk to you later.